Hi, this is Don Cowboy Biker Adventures coming to you today from Thousand Trails Peace River. Yes, one of 3,000 trails in all of Florida on US 17 here in Wauchula, Florida. This is a 360 video, so feel free to look around, rotate your device and your view. I plan on showing you the whole park. And first up is the office and the lodge. Of course, this is where you would park to the check-in with your RVs. The office is on the left. The lodge is on the right, which has two pool tables in it. On the back side, a sales office and also a swimming pool. Over here on the right, you will see a fire pit. And also you'll see shuffleboards, and I have seen ladies playing there in the morning. This is not the peak season, which is December 15th through March 31st. So a lot of the activities is not going on right now. This is middle of April. They do give you a passcode, so let me put that in. I'm going to show you the main road here that kind of parallels US 17. It is 9 miles an hour here. They are resurfacing a road up here on the left in front of the restrooms, which they're just started yesterday. I understand they're going to do 2 roads out here. I don't know which is the other road. Some of these sites are very shaded, some are very open. There's 460 sites out here, and I would say all but a handful are level. Also, I'd say all but a handful or 2 I could fit, or at least a 40-foot rig could fit. Here's mine, I'm 49 feet. Here's mine on the left. I'm sorry, the right. This is the road they're resurfacing in front of the restrooms, which has a couple showers and a couple stalls in each, men's and women's. Other than the one in the laundry room, which has 1 shower, which is huge shower, huge, and a couple restrooms there. That's it. And there's some, I'm sure, at the swimming pool also. But I'd have to check that out. Again, that's US 17, and it can be loud at times. Here's a boat ramp, or you can launch a boat into the Peace River. It don't look very deep river to me here in this section. You can see straight ahead is the River Edge Trail picnic area. They claim there is alligators in there. By the way, there is a picnic table on this end of the trail with a barbecue pit, and there's one on the other end of the trail, which I'll show you later. This little short street here, you wouldn't want to come down here because this would be tight to turn around a big rig. But there's 2 sites here on this road. The next road, I believe, has 7 sites. And now this is where you'd want to go so that you could turn around right here down this road to the right. Straight ahead is one of 3 dump stations, which everything on this side is 50 amp, 30 or 50 amp combination, and also sewer. So I don't know why a dump station's over here, but it is. Again, there's the back of the restrooms. And again, and whether you like sun or you like shade. Coming up is the miniature golf course, and straight ahead is a path down to that River Edge Trail. But you can follow this around. I did come through here with my RV already when I first parked. They don't sign you sites. You have to pick out your own site. So that's the road they're resurfacing. It was dirt, so they're going to pave it, it looks like to me. And you can see down each road and take a look if you'd like. Peace River is out there to the right, and it borders this campground on the south and east side, and US 17 on the west side. You can see the dumpsters. This is all but one of them. So there's one on the other far side of the park. This is your dumpsters here. There is 2 more dump stations, one on the the road to my left and one to the road to my right. At least that's what the map shows. I've seen the one to the right over there. It's in view now. But it's a pretty nice little park. Other than trucks, it's quiet. And if trucks would keep them in the right gear, it wouldn't be near as noisy. I'm not a truck driver, so I really don't know what I'm talking about. Here's an exit. The one marked for RV exits coming up. Right here. But I'm going to take the next one, and all 3 would get you out of here with your RV. You can see these are park models. There's only 4 in the whole park that people own. There's 5 cabins coming up that you can rent out. There's playground, another kind of a view of the swimming pool. And it's a hot day. It's going to be like 90, and right now it's probably 83, I would say. So here is the cabins that you could rent out, 3 of them, 3 of the 5, the other 2's on the back side here. Now most of this coming up, the electricity's turned off, but all of it is 30 amp without sewer. So about half of these, I'll show you from right beyond this right here, starting right in here, the electricity is not on. And I think they're having issues, or maybe they just got them turned off, I don't know. So that guy over there is not camping without electricity. The guy over here on the left also camping without electricity. The pickup parked over on the far right is the other end of that River Edge Trail. And you can see Peace River out there to the right a little bit. And it kind of borders it on the north side. No, it don't either. Wow, what a bump. It don't, I'm sorry, I misspoke. The river does not border this park on the north side. So I don't know. There's a trail that goes out that way. I just don't know where it goes. I assume it went down to the river, but apparently not. So here is another park model that someone owns. And here's the other 2 cabins you can rent. Here you can see the 2 pickleball courts. You can see the back side of the swimming pool and the back side of the laundry room. So this section over here is all 30 amp, and it does work without sewer. But if you like it open because of Starlink, I don't know why you would need solar. The only other reason I know to be out in the open. But, you know, it is what it is. It is, some people just, it's more spacious over here. What you're looking at over here is overflow parking or storage, long-term storage. And I believe this obviously is the maintenance room over here, or maintenance area over here on the right. Now, This is the north end of the park. You can see that one dumpster, you can see a brush pile, and over there it looks like a trail, which I have no idea where it goes. I'm sorry, I don't know. Look how open this is over here, though. And coming up is what they call a rec room, and I'm sure it's because this is off season that nothing's going on in there. Here on the right, I mean left. And you can see the swimming pool, a little bit of it. Straight ahead is the laundry room, which has 8 dryers and 6 washers, and $1.75 each, and you do not have to put extra time in for your dryers. It's good. There is some restrooms in there, and there's one shower, huge shower. I'd say it's at least 6 to 8 feet long, and it is huge. But it's only one shower, the rest of the restroom. Now there's probably some for the swimming pool I have not checked out. Behind me is a chapel. It's also a meeting room, which I think is what it's mainly used for. If you look behind me there. There is no restaurant or place to shop, buy things that I could tell in this park. Now, part of that's probably because it's off season. All right, let's go back in here. And let's see here. I'm going to turn here and show you the other end of that trail. I was hoping to ride it and film it, but it clearly is marked no vehicles beyond this point. But I see truck tracks, I see golf cart tracks. So I don't know what's going on, but here's one of those 3 dump stations. Now all this has got electricity, and starting right here is where there's no sewer. Now this guy parking this Airstream will have electricity working. So, but I want to show you the other end of this trail. Look at that, they're fishing. Cool. Love to see little kids catch a fish. Don't you? I mean, that is the neatest thing. So here is the other end of the trail. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on the weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.